Let's go over how to solve problems when it asks you to evaluate for a given value. So first of all, it's important that we understand that when we see the word evaluate, evaluate is the same thing as solve. So if it says evaluate, it's telling you you're going to solve it. So you're going to find an actual answer. So you're going to have one number answer. And with these, we don't have to guess what the variable is. For example, in this first problem up here, it says that x equals 5. So I already know what x is. So when it says evaluate, it means solve 3 plus x, but I already know what x is. X is 5. So it's really 3 plus 5. And 3 plus 5 is 8. And then we do the same thing down here. Evaluate, we're going to solve. And this time x equals 4. So I'm going to put in x is 4. But what we need to know with this, 5x, when 5 is right next, or any number is right next to a letter, for example, if I have 9y, that means 9 times y, or we can write it as 9 times y, like that way. These all mean the same thing, 9 times y. So whether it's 9y, 9.y, 9 multiplication sign y, these all mean 9 times y. So in this example, it's really saying 5 times x. But again, we know that x is 4 in this case, so really it's 5 times 4, which is 20. And then our last one down here. So really, again, this says 2 times x, and then minus 1. And we know that x is going to be 3. So 2 times 3 minus 1. And we've got to do order of operations. We've got to multiply first. 2 times 3 is 6. And then I can do 6 minus 1, and we get 5. So again, when we're evaluating, we are just solving. And when it says when x equals this or when x equals that, it's telling us what x is. You just replace x with whatever number it tells you and then solve it.